This is going to be a 3-in-1 review because I've been to the Warley show today at the NEC in Birmingham and I got this. This is a R2683 LMS 422 Caledonian single 14010 limited edition. You see it costs £45, but I think I actually got it for £40. Oh, that's a good point. If you ever go to these really big shows, don't get it for the asking price. See if you can get it for cheaper. Like every time, you know, like I did. Like this was £45, and I got it for £40, and I got it for £40. So I saved myself for £5. This is a Great Western Toad Olive Green. This was actually £5.50, but actually gave me 50p off. So I got this for a fiver. And then this, this is an R126 car transporter. I did ask for £15 for it, but he said no, but I could have it for £18, so I saved myself a bit. So what's that, £7.50 I saved myself today. Better than nothing, you know, so always worth, like I just said, go to these shows, don't get them for the asking price. See if you know, just even £5 or a couple of pounds, and then just, you know, oh, can I have this for what, you know, for £5 cheaper, £2 cheaper, you know, it's worth it. Okay, so let's get them out then. I very much doubt this is original. I mean, like, there's no, oh, hang on, I've got a certificate here. I wasn't expecting this. Certificate of authentication. It says the 422 wheel Caledonian single locomotive number 14010 was built in 1886 by Nelson and Co. Hyde Park worked for the Canadian Railway and was originally numbered 123. In 1888 this was well known locomotive took part in the railway races, and in 1920s number 123 was used for the director saloon, but in 1930 it was returned to ordinary service and operated until 1935. By that time locomotive had been painted LMS colours and carried out the number 14010. After being withdrawn from service, the locomotive was repainted in its original Canadian livery and was numbered once more 123, now housed at the Glasgow Museum of Transport. The Hornby model of LMS number 14010 has been produced as a certificate limited edition of 2,000 pieces. Simon Kohler. I saw him today. I never said hello to him. This is the that's the Loco there, and the buffers are not spring loaded, and no, they're not spring loaded. Okay. Point out about the cab detail. It's not painted. It's just been. It's okay. You can see all the lines and all the pipes and that. The connector, that just spins left and right. It's a little bit heavy. I think there's also picks up on the pony wheels as well. There's no connector on the wheel, no connecting rod on the wheels. The tender is all plastic. I don't think the wheels are metal, no. So that just basically falls onto the side just there, like that. All just a very simple Loco really, and you've got your basic connector there. So let's get this one on the track. Nice and easy. It's got no connecting rod, this one, so this would be an interesting one to look at. There's no specials bag with that. Oh look, there's a little picture of it there. Oh, it's DCC ready. Let's get this car transporter out. These are quite old, so and it says 6 side rails for transporter included inside pack. Which I think these already been already been fixed on by somebody else. And it says not to be worked past this point, I think, or something. Can't quite read that. Oops. And the cars fall off. It's a little bit dirty. Made in Great Britain, Hornby, it says on the bottom. It's got metal wheels, or are they metal? Just notice this wheel. Oh, these wheels are really bad. Need fixing. That's better. And these little thingies come down. It's a little bit dirty. So obviously, the cars can drive on and off, but they can't really because there's a little spike. Don't you can see that little spike there and a little hole there. So it's just to hold cars on. Push them back up again. And lastly, there's this GWR Toad wagon. I've forgotten what it's called. This is the other two, the Loco and the transporter are Hornby, and this is a Batchman, and it comes in this ice box, very broken. So none of these are brand new, so they're obviously all second hand. Oh look, there's even a little light on the back of that. Can you see? Made in China. Metal wheels, I think. And let's see, there's a little man. Let me see, there's a little man next to the brake. This must be called a brake van, because I think that must be the brake lever. Out the way. Could even put that on there. Give you that little ride. That wheel's not quite on correctly. That's running quite well. Oops, mustn't stop it. I'll give you another front view this time. Well, that's my review of the Caledonian single with the car transporter and the brake van. I know it's an LMS carrying a Great Western, but you know, it doesn't really matter. So, hope you like my little review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it one more ride.